Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Dion back again with another video. So today we're simply just gonna be making a beat for Nakamura. I have a pretty weird BPM here, 82.5. So now I'm simply gonna pencil in some root notes and then we'll figure out the chords. So it's pretty low. I'm gonna knock it up an octave with control up. Yeah, so like that. So now I'm gonna start building some chords. Let's see how it sounds. Alt R to randomize and then Alt X to lower the volume at the same time. Control B to copy over. So now I'm gonna render it out. I'm feeling if I reverse it, it might sound better, so let's try that. Yeah, it definitely sounds better. So now I'm just gonna add an EQ just to cut out some frequencies which I don't like. Yeah, so next up I'm going to copy the same chords and paste them into Labs, soft piano from Labs, currently my favorite piano. Paste it, but since we reversed the initial chords, so we're also going to reverse this with Alt Y. Yeah, so I'm just going to layer the two, but I'm just going to do some variation here. And then Alt Control X to delete, and then just knock the A down an octave. Yeah, pretty much like that. So next up I'm gonna work on the counter melody, which I'll be using guitar from context. So now I'm just gonna figure out something that will go along the original chords.
Five minutes later.
After some time playing on the piano roll, I then came up with this. Yeah, so now I'm gonna start with the drums. And here I'm just trying to find the vibe which will fit the chords. So I'm just gonna copy that and then paste it into the second snare. Yeah, so next up I'm gonna add a hi-hat which will layer the original percussion, the drums. So next up I'm going to come in with a kick, simple 4-step, finish 4-step, and then we're going to add one here, and then I'm going to do some variation with the FPC. I have an FPC here. Which is just gonna add some little variation at the last bar. Yeah, so next up I'm gonna come in with the bass. I have this bass, so it's simply also just gonna follow the root notes, but I'm gonna spice it up a little bit. I want to do something here a little bit different other than just following the root notes. I copy it over and just make a little bit of variation here at the last bar. Yeah, so another thing I did for the counter melody, I added this effect just to make it a little bit more ambient. Added a reverb and then a chorus. Yeah, and for the bass I knocked it down an octave. So yeah guys, here's the finished beat. Thank you for watching. Peace out.